Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So today is Saturday and it is beautiful outside. The sun is out, it's not too hot, but I have absolutely nothing to do. But I thought I would start the vlog off here. I may insert other clips from like previous days where I was actually vlogging, but probably won't. So this will probably just be the start of today's vlog. I'm probably gonna go to a few stores, probably go get me something to eat. I'm not sure, but I wanted to just go ahead and get this vlog started. Hey Ross, say hey to the vlog.
Hey y'all.
Let me see, there you go. You can see
What do you call them?
I mean, we ain't got there yet. This just.
Hey y'all. Oh, that looks sick, man. Get into me.
Alright y'all, happy Sunday. Today is of course a Sunday. I just said that so you know it's Sunday fun day. I'm about to go to brunch with my friend Star. I'm just chilling outside until she pulls up, and then we are going to be headed on our way to brunch. I just tried to film this look, so if you are interested in that video will be coming soon. I actually did a hair, makeup, and my outfit, so if you want to see that you can check that out. But yeah, I'm just getting this day started. We're about to go to a brunch. I'm not really sure exactly what place we're going to, but of course I'm gonna bring y'all with us. So yeah. All right y'all, so I am in the car with Star. Star saying hey. We are in the car, of course, obviously I just said that. We are on our way to camp. It is like a restaurant slash lounge, you would say. Yeah. And we are going to attempt Sundays. The lines are always long for places in Houston because I guess everybody is out for Sunday fun day. So we are just kind of just gonna see if we can get in. If not, y'all, so we look at her food. Oh, so I got that on camera too. That was not me. That was not me talking about that. It was in yellow pants? Yes, I did too. Why I said yellow? I meant yellow.
Wait, my turn.
Y'all, so we just... You gonna let me talk?
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure out where we going.
Y'all, so we went to the place that we was talking about earlier.
It's just not for me.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
If it ain't the phone falling today, you taking somebody's food, but it's her. So we just stood outside for like probably 30 minutes, if not more, and we are now in the car because we could not find a table, and the section was $500, and
turn left onto
who finna pay that with just 2 people?
Okay, so we now in the car about to go to another place. So Sunday fun day is looking real shitty. Yeah, uneventful. We need to, I guess, plan ahead. Houston places are just crazy on Sunday in general. So hey y'all, so I wanted to go ahead and start off a new vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 videos today. I'm about to go do my hair. I've already done my makeup, and I'm gonna film 2 videos. One will be a business related video, and then the other would be a Shein haul. Here's actually my box from Shein. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and start this vlog off, let y'all know what I'm doing for the day, and of course if I do anything later I will show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my new lights. I think I already like them. My last videos that I've been doing, I feel like my lighting wasn't right, so I got me 2 new lights, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, and hopefully these will be, you know, great upgrades to the channel, you know, and my videos and stuff like that. I've kind of had to change my entire office room around. My computer used to be kind of like more in the center of my room, but now since I'm filming videos, I kind of have to have this table here, so I didn't want to keep moving my computer, so I switched it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today, pretty much just trying to be productive. for the most part, I'm trying to stay consistent on this channel. So if I'm making myself film these videos when I have the time, then that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, just want to go ahead and start this vlog. Like I said, did I say today is Saturday? And so far I'm just kind of trying to be productive when it comes to YouTube. After that, hopefully I'll do something fun later, but until then I am gone. Hey y'all, so I got one video down, which is the lash video that I wanted to do, and now I'm doing my try-on haul. But y'all, my camera keeps dying, and I've ordered 2 different like replacement batteries on Amazon because they say they fit, and each time they come they don't fit. So I just kind of wanted to check in because I'm bored, because I have to wait for my camera to charge. All right y'all, so your girl is tired. I just went ahead and filmed both of those videos that I said I was gonna film, because like I said, your girl is really sticking to the whole being consistent here on YouTube. So I got both of those videos done. I am tired, but I'm about to get ready to go ahead and go to dinner. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I am gonna be heading out the door. I'm actually gonna be eating sushi tonight. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. All right y'all, so I wanted to come and show y'all my outfit. Like I said, I'm on my way to dinner. I'm eating sushi tonight, and this is just what I have on. I have this marble type printed dress. This dress is from Shein. It has like the long sleeve and then the short no sleeve over here. I have this bag. It's also from Shein. I have just on my gold watch, 1 gold ring, and my gold chain. And these earrings are from Shein. And then I'm just wearing clear heels. So yeah, this is just my outfit for tonight. And yeah, I'm literally about to be out the door now. All right y'all, we just got done eating. I'm about to head out. The food was really good. The drinks were just okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, or at least end it for the day. I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but of course if I do something, I will pick up the camera. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I just wanted to go ahead and check in. I just did my makeup, and you know you have to come outside and do like a little sunlight check. It's almost just like the flash check to make sure you look good, especially when you're gonna be outside and you're gonna be taking pictures. I'm about to get ready to go to the beach, but first I need to go to Target. Y'all, I just saw this like picture on Instagram, and I really liked it, and it kind of like got me together, and I'm like, okay, I need to clean up my Instagram. So I literally am going to the beach because I want to go, but also because I want to get a good picture to kind of like start my Instagram over. So to get that good picture, I need to go to Target to kind of pick up some picnic aesthetic type things. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be on the hunt. I'm gonna go to Target and probably another store to get like food and stuff to kind of like set up, and of course I need food to eat out there. So yeah, I just want to pick up the camera, and I'll probably pick y'all back up when I make it back and show y'all what I picked up from the store. So I'm back from the store. I went ahead and took out, you know, everything from the bags and stuff like that to just go ahead and show y'all what I got. So first up, I went to Ross, and I got this little 4 wooden, I don't know what this is. It's like a dish. I'm just gonna put fruit in here. And then I also got this acrylic paint set just to have something to do out there, because yes, I'm going to take a picture, but I also don't want to be bored out there. So I got that. From Target, I got this little, I think this is for beer, but you can't bring alcohol or anything like that. But I am going to try to, you can't bring glass either, but I am going to try to sneak a glass so I can put it on here just for my picture. I don't have to drink out there, that's cool, but I want to make sure I'm able to at least kind of set the vibe, so hopefully I don't get caught with the glass out there. So then I also bought just slices of watermelon. I brought more fruits. All right, this also came from Target. This is just this little picture. I thought it was really cute. This is plastic, so I should be good with this. I got this just to try. You know, this isn't for today. I'm gonna use it in my picture. Hopefully I don't get caught. I just want to use it as a prop. I'm not gonna actually drink it out there, but I've heard a lot of good stuff about this, so I want to go ahead and try it. I also got these roses, so I just went ahead and stuck them in a cup for now. I'm just gonna put those out there. And then I also got like this cheese tray to kind of like set the mood up. I have wooden boards, like cutting boards, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring those and put that and the fruit on there and kind of just try to make a cute little setup. I also got like a throw to go out there, but it's probably in my car. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and I will be back to show y'all my outfit of choice. All right, y'all, so I am ready to go. This is the look. I just have this pink and whitish creamish color dress, and then I have these pink shoes on. All right, y'all, so that is my outfit. I have everything packed. I'm ready to go. I did try that Black Girl Magic, that Riesling, however you say it, and it's pretty good. It's not bad. So y'all, yes, I did all that for a picture, but here's how my picture came out. That's the end of this video. I hope y'all liked this vlog. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.